Imagine this. A packed courtroom. Tension so thick you could feel it in the air. And then, silence. A recording begins to play. The voice? Prince. Yes, the late icon. Gone since 2016. But today he's speaking again. And what he says? It's not just shocking. It's explosive. He names names, reveals secrets, hints at even more locked away in his legendary vault. And as the tape plays, Diddy breaks down. Jurors stare. The courtroom? Stunned into silence. What did Prince know? Why was this recording kept hidden for so long? And could this moment destroy Diddy's empire for good? Let's break down what happened, what Prince really said, and why this might be the biggest bombshell the music industry has ever seen. Diddy's legal battles were already grabbing headlines. Allegations, leaks, whispers of things no one wanted to say out loud. But when the court admitted the secret Prince recording, everything changed. Attorneys froze. The judge leaned forward. Even veteran journalists, speechless. This wasn't a remix. This was raw. Prince, in his own words, talking about the industry, its darkness, its power games, and yes, naming Diddy directly. In the tape, Prince speaks slowly, intentionally, like he knew someone would hear this someday. He talked about meetings behind closed doors, artists being controlled, money moving where it shouldn't. Then he said Diddy's name, twice. He described manipulations, said music has lost its soul, and hinted that if anything happens to me, look deeper. He wasn't just venting, he was documenting. As the tape played, people in the room said Diddy visibly shifted. His confidence faded. He looked down, whispered something to his attorney. A man once in total control, now unraveling, in front of cameras, lawyers, and the world. Prince always spoke about his vault, a private collection of recordings, videos, and personal notes. Some say this tape is just the beginning, that there are hours of material, some even more damning, files about record labels, about specific executives, and more celebrities, some still at the top of the game. And if those recordings surface, this trial could become a wildfire, burning through the music industry like never before. Section 5. What happens next? The court has sealed parts of the tape, but insiders say more is coming. Other artists may be called, more names could drop, and legal experts say, this isn't just a turning point in Diddy's case. It's a turning point for how power works behind the scenes. Prince once warned, the truth is bigger than the charts. Now, that truth is finally echoing across courtrooms and boardrooms alike. One thing is certain. The dead are speaking, and their words are shaking the living. What else is in Prince's vault? What other names are about to be exposed? Subscribe, because this story is far from over.